Alright guys, yesterday we went to Walmart and picked up some stuff. We got Rust-Oleum can paint in the aluminum color for the inside of the Caboose. 2 cans of white primer for the priming the outside, so the red looks good on white. Come out better. And some paint brushes to brush on the can paint. So, like always, alright, we'll see you out in the garage. So you see in here in the Caboose, it's really dirty. It's filled with leaves, gunk, and everything like that. So we're going to take our shop vac. second truck. Okay, we got both the trucks off now, and reason why we did that, so we can paint the underside here. We got the electrical and everything else, the underframe. And while we're at it, we will grease the truck things here.
Okay.
And over and out. Good job.
Spring washer.
We're taking off this electrical thing just for now so we can get to painting later.
I'm gonna have to take the bracket off too.
Yeah.
I get it
We'll
filled.
try our best. It should go back in.
Oh, I know. It's just getting to the screws.
Yeah. There it comes.
Sort of.
A little bit on that lower screw.
There we go.
There we go.
There's the
So
screws.
we got this bracket here
And now we can sand
and
in
the
there.
main switch, and now we can sand and paint under there.
Okay.
Cool.
All right. Wood that we need to get. We built these stairs.
We need to get that.
We
Get
need to
that
get
wood.
to that.
Get to that.